Good day everyone, my name is Ming-Chi.
And I'm Vian.
So we, the 9A students, have specially prepared a dance for this year's Valentine's Day.
That's right, we are dancing to the songs The Feels by TiS with a few skits incorporated with it.
Oh wow, dance and skit. Something like a musical and a music video. That's really good to know. How does this associate with this year's Valentine's Day though?
Well, the song evolves around the theme of love.
Ooh, wonderful.
Yes, Ming-Chi, it is important to project positivity and care for people around us. Through this music, we hope to spread not only love and kindness, but also to express a sense of enjoyment and happiness to everyone. Because music and dance express what we feel inside.
I agree with you, Vian. Let's check out our performance.
Boy, wanna keep it cool, but I know every time you move, got me frozen. I get so shy, it's obvious. Catching feels like butterflies. If I say what's on my mind, would I hit bullseye? Dude, I'm ready, aim and fire. Baby, I feel like Cupid's on life, yeah, tonight. Yeah, tonight. If your heart beats, so stay with them, you know. Anything, a mystery, oh Lord, gotta get to know you more. Cause I can feel a real connection, a supernatural attraction. I got the feels for you, yeah. You have stolen my heart, oh yeah. Never let it go, no, never let it go, Lightning straight to my heart, oh yeah. I got all the feels for sure, yeah, I got all the feels for you. Are we on the same vibe? Wonder what's on your mind. See, I make good and I wanna be a boo.